Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an FG Falcon steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. This crucial step prevents any accidental airbag deployment during the process. After disconnecting, wait approximately 10 minutes for any residual power to dissipate. Also, make sure your front wheels are perfectly straight before you begin. Next, we'll focus on the airbag module. You'll find two small access holes on the sides of the steering wheel. Using a small flathead screwdriver, gently insert it into each hole to release the retaining clips. Once both clips are disengaged, carefully pull the airbag module away from the steering wheel. Remember to disconnect the electrical connectors on the back of the module before setting it aside. With the airbag safely removed, the next step is to detach the steering wheel itself. You'll see a large central retaining nut. Use a suitable socket wrench to loosen and remove this nut. Before fully removing the wheel, it's a good idea to mark its position relative to the steering column. This ensures proper alignment during reinstallation. Now, gently wiggle the steering wheel to free it from the splined shaft. Finally, carefully thread any remaining wires through the steering wheel opening as you remove it completely. Store both the steering wheel and the airbag module in a safe, clean place to prevent any damage. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps. Ensure all electrical connectors are securely reattached and the central nut is tightened to the correct specification for a safe and proper reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.